Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for Miss and Mister. Ceremony has given me a little time for explaining my research. Before continue all of guys, I wanna introduce my team, my Siti Rahmatullah and Trisakti and Muhammad Ian. I wanna deliver about analysis of dormitory supervisor, knowledge and attitudes level regarding safe medication at the IMBS Miftahul Ulum Pekajangan Islamic Boarding School, Ambo Kembang Village, Kedungwuni Distrik Pekalongan, Regency. My abstract is safe medication is the use of drug the therapeutic purpose without professional advice or without a doctor prescription. Public knowledge about drug use is very minimal. One example is the exercise use of over-the-counter drugs and also public awareness about how to choose, obtain, use, store, and dispose of drugs. The aim of this research was to analysis of dormitory supervised knowledge and attitudes level regarding self-medication at the IMBF Miftahul Ulum Pekajangan Islamic Boarding School. This type of research is descriptive research with observational approach. Sampling use total sampling. Data was taken using a questionnaire and analysis using for SPSS. Research analysis research show that the characteristic of respondent based of gender were the most of the respondent were female, namely 21 people, while the respondents were male as many as 3 people. The result obtained from the characteristic of respondent based and education were that all respondents had a high school. The level of knowledge of dormitory supervisor regarding self-medication was obtained in the sufficient category, and the attitudes of dormitory supervisor regarding self-medication was of the sufficient category. Next, introduction. Self-medication is the use of drug for therapeutic purpose without professional advice or without a prescription. Self-medication includes obtain medicine without a prescription, buying medicine based on prescription previous receipt, share medicine with relative or member of one social circle, or using leftover medicine store at home. From World Health Organization data, 80% of people in several countries practice self-medication. Based on the result, National Health Survey, the Central Statistic Agency noted that sick people in Indonesia carried out self-medication. However, it's important to understand that appropriate, safe, and rational self-medication is not to treat without first seeking general information that can be obtained without having to consult a doctor. The general information in this case can be in the form of label of brochures. Apart from that, information about drugs can also be obtained from pharmacists who manage pharmacies, especially for self-medication of hard drugs, which are included in the list of mandatory drugs for pharmacies. Based on description above, it is necessary to carry out research to analysis of dormitory supervisor knowledge and attitudes level regarding self-medication at the IMBS Miftahul Ulum Pekajangan Islamic Boarding School, Ambo Kembang Village, Kedungwuni Distrik Pekalongan, Regency. Next, material and methods. Tip in of research is descriptive research with an observational approach. Descriptive research is research conducted with the aim of describing problem based on variable characteristic. Time and place of research mulai in Agustus for January until completion. The research location is the IMBS Miftaul Ulum. Research population and sample. Population is generation area consisting of objects that have certain quality and characteristic determined by research to be studied and then drawn conclusion. The population in this study were all dormitory supervisor and the IMBS Miftaul Ulum Pekajangan Islamic Boarding School. And sample, research sample according to Arikunto, saying the sample is a portion of the population. As a representative of the population being researched, the research sample is a portion of the population taken as data set and can represent the entire population. According, the sample is large part of the number of characteristics of the population. If the population is large and research cannot possibly study everything in the population, to determine the sample to be used, the research used the total sampling methods. The sample take were all dormitory supervisor at the IMBS Miftaul Ulum Pekajangan Islamic Boarding School. And research variable. Variable is an object that has variation between of object and another. The variable in this research in the level knowledge of dormitory supervisor in the IMBS Miftaul Ulum. Result. This research aim to determine the level of knowledge of dormitory supervisor regarding self-medication. This type of research is descriptive research with an observational approach. This research was conducted in Augustus for January. This research used structure interview data collection technique with instrument in the form of questionnaire. The questionnaire that will be used will first be test for validity and reliability. Nah, in table respondent validity test, the questionnaire in this questionnaire validation test was carried out the Rodotul Hufaz Banyu Urip Agency Islamic Boarding School with certain sample. The validity test carried out to determine whether the statement item to on instrument are valid or invalid. An instrument is said to be valid if the calculation is greater than the table based of significant table in the number respondent density and R value of 01361 is required. And reliability test, testing is carried out to find out whether the research instrument is reliable or not. The research instrument is said to be reliable, and this carry out the Cronbach's alpha value was 01816. So it can be said the research instrument is reliable or trustworthy. In table 1, in this table gender, in gender research results show the characteristic of respondent based of gender, where that most of the respondents were female, namely 21 people, while the respondent were male as many as 3 people. And table 2 education, in table it can be seen that the characteristic of respondent based of education were found to be all 24 respondent with a high school or vocational school or equivalent education. The result obtained for the characteristic of respondent based on education were that all respondents had a high school in 100%, according to Nilamsari and Handayani with a high level education. It is expected that they will easily receive information and have broad knowledge. And then table 3, level of knowledge. It can be seen that the level of knowledge of dormitory supervisor regarding self-medication was obtained in the good category as many as 7 people, as good as 39 people, and as poor as 1 person. An overview of the level of knowledge of dormitory supervisor regarding self-medication at the EMBS was analyzed using the statistic basic for the social science version 26 program. The data obtained was that the majority of respondents has sufficient knowledge. 13. This is aligned with research conducted by Melis. The level of knowledge of respondents in carry of medication was considered sufficient, namely 74%. According to Arikunto, the level of knowledge in this 3 category. And then table 4, attitudes. It can be seen that the attitude of dormitory supervisor regarding self-medication was obtained in the good category for 90 people. Based on self-medication, attitude of respondent good result were obtained, namely 13 respondents. This is according with research conducted by Putri. The attitudes regarding self-medication show as sufficiency attitudes. And then discussion. This should explore the significance of the result of the work, not repeat them. A combined result and discussion section is often approached. Avoid extensive citation and discussion or published literature. Discuss for original research conducted on the finding of the study in relation to other relevant studies. The discussion focus on the main study outcome, implication of the study should of described earlier. For case report, the discussion should compare and then case with the published literature. Evaluasi that case and a rational management of the patient and the reason for selection one produce may also be of provide clearly. Next, and acknowledgement thanks are expressed to BMBS Islamic Boarding School, and the last slide is closing, so I think enough and thank for you interesting because I'm Muslim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.